If you have diabetes or pre-diabetes, you probably have a lot of questions about what to eat. The truth is, you don't have to change everything. You can still eat your favorite foods, eat out at restaurants, and enjoy special occasions if you know the right foods to choose. Here are a few tips to get you started. Number 1, avoid sugary drinks such as sodas, sports drinks, and juices. Number 2, use a 9-inch plate as your guide for lunch and dinner. Pile up half your plate with healthy, non-starch veggies such as salad, broccoli, green beans, cauliflower, and carrots, fresh or frozen. 1/4 of your plate should be a starch, such as corn, potatoes, whole grain bread, pasta, or rice. Fill the last 1/4 of your plate with a healthy lean protein, such as chicken, fish, or eggs. And finally, enjoy a 1/2 cup of fresh fruit for dessert, and you've created a healthy meal.